Working 8-hour shifts daily, their only regret is that they have not been able to explore the city and its various attractions. However, most of them plan to visit Delhi again, and this time as tourists.
Moving on to other story on the Northeast and the Commonwealth Games. It is not only sportsperson and security personnel from the Northeast that have contributed to the success of the 19 Commonwealth Games. Delhi artists from the region too have done their bit and have made a big impact.
The mega sports event has kept Delhi in focus for 2 consecutive weeks. On the sidelines of the sporting events, India showcased its rich and diverse cultural heritage to the world. At Delhi Heart, a cultural dance show, Festival of India, Delhi Celebrates, showcased lively performances by 30 Manipuri artists who presented different Manipuri dances, including Maibi Lainching Jagao, which symbolizes the creation of life. Manipuri martial art form, Thangta, Thaugal Jagoi, Cherol, stick dance, Pung Cholom and Basanta Ras captivated the onlookers. The month-long festival presented diverse cultures of the country on one platform.
Everyone in Delhi celebrating along with the city, not just the people. But then it occurred to us that these are not just the games for Delhi or the people of Delhi. They actually belong very much to the people of India. So we said, well, why shouldn't India also celebrate? So we've come up with 37 versions of the logo. India celebrates, Delhi celebrates, Manipur celebrates, Mizoram celebrates.
In a perfect example of unity in diversity, Preeti Patel from Gujarat performed to the best of Manipuri instruments at Sangeet Natak Academy in Delhi. The act was based on famous Bengali poem, The Field of the Embroidered Quilt.
I should say it's a destiny which has taken me to Manipur, because I'm not just involved in the art, and I'm involved in much more than the dance and the music. I'm involved with the people. I've got, with their lives, with their stories. I mean, you saw all my colleagues, my artists, and they all stay in Calcutta. And we work together. So they are my family.
Manipuri artists say, so many pesa mayama things jaraga hai Manipur de artists say Delhi dal lakpunatra Kolkata da tolo piraga thambanatra lamam da puba so many expensive neva. Hari sing je na tobungam musimasu angakpom ne mai kanoma de Manipuri jagoi have say Manipuri art form say Manipuri kaktana tawrakanda madugi asangba mas sengba maset to tholakani habegi among the Thazabam lay.
Dimapur-based Northeast Zone Cultural Centre also came forward to organize Delhi Celebrates, an extravaganza that showcased Northeastern dances during the Commonwealth Games. There was Hosagiri dance from Tripura, Bihu from Assam, and the famous bamboo dance from Mizoram. Other than showcasing India's diversity, the event also helped bridge the cultural divide.
आज तक हमारा परफॉर्म अच्छा ही है, लोगों ने बोला है, सो अच्छा होगा, सब हम कोशिश करेंगे जितना और अच्छा कर सकते हैं.
We are we're citizens of same country, but we don't know each other. So by this cultural performance, this dance, we can show that though we stay in different places in one country, we have the same cultural heritage.
Be it sports, safety or entertainment, the Northeast region has contributed significantly and made the country proud.
Stay tuned, we will be back with more news. Welcome back to Roving Report. Let us now take a look at some of the happenings in the Northeast.
The Postal Department of Shillong recently launched a global position system, Departmental Mail Motor Service Vehicles. The project, that is estimated to cost 11 lakh rupees, will help in ensuring the smooth delivery of mails to rural areas. The new GPS system was launched in the entire Northeast Circle. 11 of these systems are in Meghalaya and another 15 are in Assam. An inter-district school table tennis tournament was organized from 9th to 11th October for the first time in Jorhat. The tournament attracted more than 100 participants from 8 districts of Assam. The event, organized by the Office of District Sports Officer Jorhat, aimed to provide youngsters of the region a platform to showcase their talent.
To give opportunities to the budding talents of the state. Director has also launched a program for organizing tournament at school level in other disciplines like archery, boxing, volleyball, badminton, karate, taekwondo, swimming, etc. like other games like football, cricket also. The very purpose of this tournament, this is for the first time we are organizing this tournament.
To promote art and craft in the Northeast region among the youngsters, a 5-day workshop titled Ishani Kala Sangam was organized in Tripura by the Government College of Art and Craft with support from ONGC. 20 painters from different northeastern states and neighbouring Bangladesh participated in the workshop. In a coordinated search operation, Bishnupur District Police Commandos rescued 26-year-old R.K. Sanayema, the younger brother of R.K. Opendro, the Pradhan of Ishaq Gram Panchayat, from the captivity of suspected KCP MTF cadres. The victim was abducted at gunpoint on the night of 6th October. On receiving information about R.K. Sanayema's abduction, police initiated a massive search operation, during which 4 abductors were gunned down after they fired at the police officials. Police have recovered live ammunition along with 1 mobile handset and a SIM card from the site. On October 11th, Assam police arrested 2 UNLF militants, Jai Singh and Ashok Singh, from the Guwahati railway station. Police seized several cell phones, laptops and extortion demand notes from the arrested militants. It is suspected that the duo was in Guwahati to extort money from businessmen. In the past 6 months, more than 20 Manipuri insurgents have been arrested from Guwahati. With Durga Puja round the corner, people in the Northeast are in a festive mood. Markets are bustling with customers and artisans are busy giving finishing touches to pandals and idols.
পুজোর সময় তো একটা পুজোর কাজ করার জন্য একটা আগ্রহ সবারই থাকে। আমাদের মানে যারা ডেকোরেশনের কাজ করে তাদের এটা একটা মানে এখন বলতে পারেন নেশা আর কি। দুর্গা পুজোর কাজ আসলে একটা প্রতিযোগিতামূলক কাজ হয় আর কি, এরকম একটা নেশা আসে যে কাজ করব।
Durga Puja is a major festival for both tribal and non-tribal people in the Northeast. With peace and normalcy returning to the region, the number of devotees visiting pandals has increased, particularly in the rural areas. Incessant rains over the last few days have led to a rise in water levels of Imphal River that has caused submergence of some low-lying areas. This has left thousands homeless and damaged hundreds of acres of agricultural land. It is estimated that nearly 1 lakh people have been affected. Relief work has already begun, and along with the government, local residents and NGOs are also lending a helping hand.
Stay tuned, we will be back with more news. Booming aviation sector opens up new vistas for youth in Northeast. Villages in Northeast witness a rapid socio-economic change.